welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Dyemond the Creator here, and today I'm gonna be installing some wigs for y'all. Now let me just tell y'all a little bit about this hair. It's from megalook.com. Honestly, don't really know how I stumbled upon this website. I think I was just going through Instagram and I'm like, I need a new wig, let's find a place. So I did. So the wigs that I got are buy one get one free, and I'm so freaking excited because one of them is a bob and the other one is like a body wave type texture. I could have gotten straight, but I just decided to not. When the wigs arrived, they came in a little baggie or whatever. So this is the first one, little bag it came in, and then this is the bob. So let's just go ahead and open these babies up. There we go. Had to find one in that opened. So this wig, okay. I'm not gonna lie. The hair doesn't feel like super, oh my gosh, this is so soft. You know what I'm saying? It kind of feels coarse. And it definitely has like that tarish factory smell, if that makes any sense. But this is her. This wig is a 13x4 lace front water wave bob, and she is in 12 inches. So let's just take that out. Ooh, so it comes with a little strap in the back, which I freaking love. Let me make sure it's not on the lace. Oh, it is on the lace. Oh, well, that's not good. The strap should never be on the lace. It's okay, we can take that off. And on the inside, it has hella combs. 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, and then these little straps in the back, and this flab of lace. I don't really know what I would use that for, because I don't think I would ever put a bob in a ponytail. But yeah, I like that it comes with a strap, but I don't want to destroy this lace, so I am going to take those out, and I'm also going to take out basically all of these clips. Yeah. But the parting looks really, really nice because it's like pre-parted. It looks really nice. And I think I would have to give this a nice wash before I install her. So this is most likely going to be a 2-part video of me installing one wig and then installing the next one in the next video. So make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so that you can get the notification for when I do post that video. So yeah, this is her. She mad cute or whatever. I love me a good bob. And I will say, just from me holding it and playing with it and stuff like that, there is some shedding, actually a good bit of shedding. There's a lot of hair all over my sundress. So yeah, not gonna lie, when I was ordering these wigs, I was expecting this one to be the frontal and not the bob, but it's okay because, you know, I've wanted to try a closure because it just seems much easier than a lace, because you don't have to like literally worry about the entire hairline. It's just one little patch, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get into it. So this is her. That's beautiful, beautiful. And this is the closure. I like how much parting is in there. That's really nice. And then of course we got the straps, but they are not on the lace, so that's really good. And then this is the inside of the hair. Now this wig is a 4x4 lace closure body wave, and it is in 20 inches. Now this hair is soft. I love how it feels. It's so nice. I love the highlights. It's so pretty. I love this wig. I love this wig. I'm very excited to install her, and she's gonna be the first on my head. Because yes, like, It's so soft. It's so soft. I don't know what happened with Miss Bob over there, but they was like, no, we just need to get rid of that. That's probably why it was buy one, get one free. But it's okay, because we gonna make both of them work, okay? Now, similar to the other one, I am gonna go ahead and take out the combs. Sorry guys, I'm getting over a cold. But yeah, I'm gonna take out the combs in here because it just pulls my hair and makes it super duper uncomfortable. But it does have the straps in the back as well as this band, so I think I should be perfectly fine and it should be secure. Hopefully it's not like too tight on my head or anything like that. Also, the wigs came with a little goodie bag. I love when I get me a goodie bag with my hair, like yes. So it came with a edge brush and it has like a little flat side. I've never like seen this before, but I actually really like it because that means that I can like, you know, do that with some baby hairs or just like spread some lace glue on there, you know. Yeah, one and done. So this is the edge brush, super duper cool. I've never seen one like that before. And then of course, branding. This is super duper cute. I love the packaging, love the color, mega look hair, period, represent. And then it came with some wig caps, which I love, can't get enough. Came with these lashes. So let's see what she looks like. Okay, so these are super uber duper thin. I probably won't wear these, or I guess if I'm doing like a non-makeup makeup look or something like that, I'll wear these. But she cute. So, and lastly, they gave us this super duper cute clip. I think this is suck out. It's literally like a bobby pin, but some little scissors. It's so cute. I love that. I love that because I love gold, as y'all can tell, so it's matching. So yeah, that is everything that came with the wigs. So now let's jump into this install. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is just take all these clips out. I got my mini scissors here. So, okay. I went ahead and cut all the clips out, so we are good to go. So for this wig, I low-key want to do a glueless method. I don't even know what a glueless method is. All I know is that they don't use glue, and it looks like they did, and it sticks down on your head really nice. So we're gonna try that. I think the only thing that I need is like hairspray, and I got that shit. So yeah, let's do this. In this video, I'm actually gonna be trying a couple new products and that I got because I was like really excited and anticipating these wigs and stuff like that. So I got this lace tape. I seen a woman on Instagram and on YouTube. I follow her, LaShandra Andrea. I don't think I pronounced it right. I'll link her channel down below. But yeah, she swears by this. And then I also got some lace, tinted lace powder from Amazon. I heard great things about this duo from her, so I'll link the video that put me onto it. And also what came with this powder is some wig caps to match. I've never seen wig caps this dark, and it's really exciting because it's like, what? Why don't they really be like putting this with everything? You know what I'm saying? All the wigs come with this. Like, what? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, really excited. That's another reason why I believe, I feel in my soul that this glueless method is gonna come out amazing. So yeah, let's do it. Take off my glasses, take off my bonnet. And I was gonna wear a wig cap, but I chose not to. Also, don't judge my little gel braids. They looked way better 2 days ago, but my bonnet doesn't stay on when I have on gel braids. So yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh. Yeah, she feels nice and secure. This is so cute. This is so cute. Oh, this color is everything. This hair is so soft. Oh my gosh. This hair is so soft. Okay, let's get to work. These are the two sprays I'm gonna be using today. Everyone has been raving about them, so let's do it. So let's open up this lace tape really quickly, actually, so that we can see what we're working with. Okay, so it comes in a little roll, and then cool. I don't want to use too much of this, so let me figure out how I want this to be parted. Because low-key, I want to do like a side part. What y'all think? I don't know. Try and help like hold this in place better so that I can get a really good grasp on how things are looking. I'm gonna use this edge wax stick and I'm just gonna like put it along where the part is so that I can really just get a good feel. See, instantly so much better. Now I'm just gonna take my little rat tail comb and comb that out. And of course we're gonna go in and pluck and stuff like that, but we're gonna do that after we glue it down too. It's not gonna be glued down after we stick it on our hands. Now I'm just gonna take my clip and we are going to like pull this back like so, and then clip her into place. And now we're gonna take my lace tape, take the wig off. Now that we got the part where we want it to be, I can see exactly where it's going. So I'm gonna take some of the tape, measure it out with the lace. So this much. Thought I could fly. So I stepped off the goal. Okay, I got it on there. It looks like this. It looks a mess, but it's okay. As long as it works, no one cares. So yeah, because ain't nobody gonna be seeing up underneath this lace. Period. It's super cool. It's like an instant transformation. All right, now we're just gonna comb everything back because it's about time to start to get to snipping. So I just wanna make sure I'm not gonna get any hair in the way. We're gonna take my Supreme Hold adhesive spray, lift this up, snip some of this, some more, because I don't want that to be like super duper visible. And this little one is just giving me a hard time. You want to make sure you always clean your forehead so that your wig can stick all day, all night, during flights. Yeah. All right. Let's get to setting. Now I'm going to take the back of this and just make sure everything stays like right here where I need it to be. And I'm just using this fan to like make it tackier quicker, so that I can just go ahead and get the lace on there. Yeah. Not too much, not too much. Pull it forward. Move these out of the way, because I am the captain now. And I'm just putting some on top. I know that's like, ooh, don't do that. But forget, we ball. Yeah, we ball. So this looks pretty promising. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just going to put on my wrap.
I'll never be sober, I couldn't believe, but now I'm so high.
And I'm just gonna leave this on only for like a couple minutes, because after this is done melting just slightly, I want to go ahead and pull out some baby hairs and get that popping. So I'll be right back. Okay, it's been a couple minutes. We're gonna go ahead, take this off. Looking pretty good, looking pretty good. Now I'm just gonna take my little scissors.
We can solve all if you just give me some time. I can open up your mind if you let you can free your mind. 'Cause I know
these ones though, gonna have to relax. Please and thank you, and not be having you blowing my cover.
now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Now I'm so high. Girl, if it's done right, well, you know it's got to be something wonderful.
What I'm doing right now is basically trying to part out the front section of my hair so that I can pluck this, because I feel like the baby hairs won't look as natural as I need it to look if it's not plucked. So we're gonna go in and do some plucking.
I wanna be the only one. Now I'm so high.
it till we get it to look a little bit more natural.
Now I'm so high.
That looks good. The only thing is I think I need to cut a little bit more of this lace.
Now I'm so high.
There we go. Like that. Just for the sake of me feeling better, I'm just gonna spray it a little bit. Get my little thingamabob.
Whoa, whoa.
Try to make this be more seamless so I can really see what I'm doing, because it does help when it comes to plucking, you know? Ooh, okay, yeah, I'm very happy I did that because it's starting to look way better. Way better. Okay, period. It's starting to look way better. Okay. See, we're doing this together. This is very exciting. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit more alcohol. I can't wait to see how this is gonna turn out. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, let's try to do some plucking on this side. Honestly, there doesn't even have to be that much plucking on this side because the way I parted it, there's not even that much closure. It's just this. Not too much, not too much, not too much. All right, we're working with some grease. Working with some grease. Let's do it. All right. See how we looking. Not too bad. A little pluggy right there. And the same thing I did on this side, I'm gonna do on this side. Because I have some lifting up right there, but just slightly. Now we're gonna do the baby hairs. I'm very excited because who doesn't love baby hairs? Well, a lot of people actually don't like baby hairs. I found that out recently. I'm like, what? Y'all coming for people that be doing the baby hairs? Leave us alone. Okay, so I'm gonna find that part again. And then I think I want this to be Baby Hair Central Station.
What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl.
Cause I low key want my baby hairs to be like a swoop, this swoop, this swoop. You know what I'm saying? So just going to take it all the way in. These baby hairs are gonna be blonde. I've never had blonde baby hairs before. I'm so excited. Okay, this is Baby Hair Central. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to clipping this back. And we're gonna go ahead and snippity snip this.
My love, so don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
I always get so nervous when cutting my baby hairs because I'm like, dang, what if I do this wrong? But one thing about wigs, that it's just a wig, it ain't your hair. So this is the place to experiment. So go for it, sis. Go for it. Cause fork and we bow. Yum. I think that that is a pretty darn good length for some baby hairs. It might be a little bit too long, but we're gonna see. So while I was getting all of that together, I was heating up my mini flat iron. So we're just gonna take my little mini baby and we're gonna curl this. Curl it upwards. I feel like I'm like Halle Berry or something like that. That's how I'm feeling in my soul while I'm looking at myself with these swoops up here. Okay, now we're gonna take our little edge brush that came with the hair, and I'm just gonna spray some of the hairspray adhesive that I have that I use. And we're gonna try and swoop-de-whoop this down.
You could be my baby, when you make it my lady, girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
This is round one. It's okay. We're gonna keep going. That's all you can do is keep going. Boom. Confirmation that the baby hairs are too long. Received. So what I'm gonna do is pull this up a little bit and start to get to snipping. Yeah. Yeah. Trial and error, trial and error. That's what this is all about. And baby hairs on this side. I'm not done with this side, but I'm taking a break. Frustration is setting in. But as far as this side goes, this is gonna be all the baby hair I need. Okay. Nice little swoopy whoop. Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. Cause we ain't no quitters. We ain't no giver-uppers. Okay? We gonna keep going. We gonna keep going. Hey, we gonna keep going. That doesn't look too bad. The only thing is I got this little guy right here. But I can just do that. Okay. Way more satisfied with these than I was with the last ones. Okay, so boom. Okay, so boom. Okay. I'm very satisfied for right now. Who knows? I might go back in and tweak her, but for now, we're good. Cause yeah, I got some tricks up my sleeve for this unit. Now what I want to do is just go ahead and pluck the part so that we can put some of that lace powder on there, and I'm also going to put it on my edges so that it looks just way more natural. Boom, I think that's pretty good. My part isn't the straightest, but god darn it, it's there. All right, girlies, I am very excited and happy with how this is coming out. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this powder and we're gonna try her out. So hopefully she's giving what she needs to give. And I got my very mini blending brush, like that brand called like Ego or something like that. Yeah. Okay, period. She already working. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is looking good. You guys, this is looking good. I'm gonna put some of this over my baby hairs. Period. Okay. 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. Because what? I'm just taking my comb so that I can like blend everything out. Yes. This is going to be so cute. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna go ahead and plug up my, what am I gonna plug up? I want to curl this, but I don't have a curling iron right now, so I'll just plug up my hot comb so that I can get a little swoop-de-whoop, you know what I'm saying, go in the front. But okay, yes, see sis, I told y'all gotta trust the process. Trust the process. Okay, be right back. Okay, so while I'm waiting for my hot comb to heat up, I do want to make this swoop bigger. So I want to make it bigger. I low-key want to make it thicker. I don't know. Just have this urge. I think that's good, and we're just gonna say, get me ball and do it. Doing it. Okay. Now is a crucial time for this hair to be out of my way. yeah, and put that right there. Go ahead and slick rick that back. Yeah. Put a little bit foundation powder right there. Oh no, I already unplugged my mini little baby. Let's see if I can do it with this. That's dangerous. We're gonna try again. Okay. Did that help anything? No. It's okay though. It is a-okay. I don't even know why everybody on that side just decided to get hurt. Like, calm it down. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, yes. No regrets. Great decision. I love it even more. Cause I'm like, it just needs to look, you know. Yeah, I like that way more. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just so excited. This is really how I be whenever I'm like applying wigs, because I don't do it that much and I really want to get into it. So yeah, we're getting into it. We're getting into it. Okay, let me brush her out real quick because my hot comb is ready. Yes, like, oh yes. I never know how it's gonna come out going into stuff like this, but never give up. Never give up. I wanna get, I wanna get this and swoop it over like that. Real quick, we're gonna straighten her out at the top. I kind of want to just like keep the body waving at the bottom. Okay. That looks good. That looks beautiful. Period. I'm noticing a little bit of overlappage with my baby hair, so I'm just gonna. Yeah, like so. Okay. I'm gonna try wax. A little bit of wax first. And then just gonna comb her up. Just like a tiny bit of a spray. And then gonna go in. Ooh, that's pretty. But we gotta keep going. We gotta keep on going.
I don't regret, just pretend shit never happened. Half of us laying waste to our youth. It's in the present. Half of us chasing fountains of youth, and it's in the present. Soldier boy, tell him.
Alrighty, you guys, this is the finished closure look. I am so in love with this. I am so pleasantly surprised. Like, Yes. I will be getting a curling iron soon so that I can put some bodacious curls in this piece, and it has like some good layering going on and stuff like that. Like, yes, it's giving. Oh my gosh, I hope you guys learned something on the journey with me today. If you guys have any tips or tricks that you want me to try, please comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next one.